Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the updated steps on how to send a photo from your gallery using the Facebook app. Whether you're sharing a fun memory or an important image, this process is simple and quick. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once the app is loaded, look towards the top right corner of your screen and tap on the messenger icon. It looks like a speech bubble with a lightning bolt inside. Tapping this icon will take you directly to your messenger conversations. Next, select the conversation where you want to send the photo. You can scroll through your list of recent chats or start a new conversation by tapping on a friend's name. Once inside the chat, look for the photo icon located next to the text box at the bottom of the screen. Tap the photo icon and your gallery will open up, displaying all the photos saved on your device. Browse through your gallery and choose the photo you want to share. You can tap on the image once to select it. If you'd like, you also have the option to select multiple photos at this stage. Finally, after selecting your photos, tap Send. Your photo will immediately be delivered in the conversation for your recipient to view. It's that easy to stay connected visually with friends and family using Facebook Messenger. This method is perfect for sharing moments on the go, whether it's a vacation snapshot, a funny image, or pictures related to work. Thanks for watching.